Again, this is Mahesh, and today you are going to learn about the C compiler. So, what is C compiler? C compiler, and what are the program you want to write in a C language? You have to run that program. For example, you are doing subtraction from a highest number, and it will appear. It has to appear output like this. So, for that, it has to do the operation like this only. The C language, what are the program you written, it has to do like this only, right? So for that, you need to run that program. You need to make that output as you want. So for that, you need to run the program what you have written. So that for that, you need the compiler, which is nothing but called a C compiler. So what this compiler will do, the compiler will convert your program into the language understandable by the computer, understandable by the system language called binary language. And here I will say an example like you and your friend, right? So you both are conversing regarding some matter, whatever. So you are, whatever the conversation is going on in between you, that is has to be in a same language. Either it is in Hindi or English or Telugu, whatever, with the same language only, same language, the same language only you can converse. In a sense, if you tell like, hey, I am from Hyderabad, or something, I am from Mumbai, like that you are saying like this. So in a sense, other person has to understand what the language, through what the language you are talking. So if he also knows whatever the language you are talking, only the conversation will go on like that. Otherwise, he too don't know about how to give reply, right? If he knows about the language what you are talking about, he too can reply. Otherwise, how can he reply? Likewise, whatever the program you write in a C language also, and whatever the output you are going to expect, that this C compiler also, in a sense, this computer also has to understand what you are going to do. So for that, you need this C compiler. The C compiler, what it will do, just what are the program you have written, it will convert into the understandable C language, understandable language called binary format. Binary format, in a sense, this is nothing but zeros and ones. Whatever the program, whatever the, how many lines and whatever the program, it is comes under Java, C, C++, whatever the program, ultimately it has to go to the computer understandable language called binary format language. So before proceeding, make sure that you have C compiler available at your computer, in your computer. So then only you can run the program and you can get the output what you are expecting. So if you don't have a C compiler installed at your computer, so then you have to install it to your computer. Name it Turbo C++. So why I am indicating this Turbo C++, since you can do the operations C, and after that C++ also introduced, so you can do the C operations and C++ operations in this Turbo C++ application. So you can get this Turbo C++, and just type this in Google search Turbo C++ latest version or whatever for Windows 7, whatever ultimate. So you have to go with this link Turbo C++ for Windows, like that. So it will appear, just wait, it will come. So here you need to download from here. There is a link, step 1. There is a link, download Turbo C++ 3.2. This is the latest version using. So you can download it from here, from this website, and you can install it to your computer. So I'm already installed, so I am opening that one. So ultimately it will appear like this pop-up. So here you need to do the programs. So here you have to do the programs like in domain, whatever. So whatever the program I am going to write now, will tell in the next video. Okay, So how the remaining topics regarding C language and how the C language is going to use, everything will tell you in the next video. So in this video, got you the information about the C compiler, what is C compiler, why you need C compiler, how it is going to use for everyone. Okay, so in the next video, you're going to see what are the remaining topics. Just wait and see. Okay, thank you.